Madhu Mantena Verma, a noted producer who gave blockbusters like Urta Punjab and Gajni, deposed before the Narcotics Control Bureau on Wednesday in a drug-related case. As the NCB widened its probe into the death of Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput, Verma arrived at the NCB office here for questioning a day after he was summoned for questioning as his name cropped up during the questioning of several other people in the last few days. Verma has produced several blockbusters films like Urta Punjab, Queen, Gajni, Rakta Charitra, to name a few. The federal agency on Tuesday questioned Quant Talent Management Agency CEO Dhruv Chitkopkar. The agency also questioned Sushant's talent manager Jaya Saha. Both of them were questioned for over 6 hours. Saha has been asked to appear before the NCB again on Wednesday, and the sources said that she will be confronted with Verma. The CBI has also recorded the statement of Saha and Sushant's manager Shruti Modi on several occasions during the ongoing probe. Senior NCB officials related to the probe on Tuesday said that it has also summoned Bollywood actor Deepika Padukone's manager Karishma Prakash in the case. However, she did not join the probe on Tuesday. The agency are also prepared to summon Bollywood actors Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, Raghulpreet Singh and fashion designer Simone Khambatta. Bollywood actress Dia Mirza has taken to Twitter to refute reports claiming she is on the Narcotics Control Bureau radar and might be summoned by the agency for questioning. Dia took to her verified Twitter account on Tuesday evening to claim that she has never in her life procured or consumed any narcotic or contraband substance of any form and called the news reports as false, baseless and frivolous reporting which might impact her reputation and career. The actress tweeted, "I would like to strongly refute and categorically deny this news as being false, baseless with malignant intentions. Such frivolous reporting has a direct impact on my reputation, being besmirched and is causing damage to my career which I have painstakingly built with years of hard work. I have never procured or consumed any narcotic or contraband substance of any form in my life. I intend to pursue the full extent of legal remedies available to me as a law-abiding citizen of India. Thanks to my supporters for standing by me." Earlier in the day, news reports claimed that Dia Mirza might be summoned for questioning by the NCB, which is investigating the drug angle in the death of late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Veteran actress Tanuja turned 77 on Wednesday. To mark her birthday, her daughter actress Kajol posted a special note on social media. "When I am with you, I am standing with an army. Happy birthday to the one person who showed me all the avatars of a woman. Warrior, wife, mother, sister, woman, human and spirit. Happy birthday, Mom. Love you so much. I am eternally grateful that you chose me for a daughter, always and forever." Kajol wrote on Instagram. She tagged her post with #ForeverYourBaby. Along with the post, she shared a picture where the mother-daughter duo is seen in ethnic saris. Shweta Singh Kirti, sister of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, shared a collage of the late actor where he can be seen training hard for his role in film Kedarnath. In one picture, Sushant can be seen on a treadmill carrying a heavy weight on his back, and in another picture, which is a still from the film, he is seen carrying a woman on his back. Sharing the picture on Instagram, Shweta wrote, "Whatever he did, he gave his 100%. Now the justice and the revolution too will be 100%. Faith." Sushant was found dead at his Mumbai home on June 14. Actress Ankita Lokhande shared gorgeous pictures of herself on Instagram on Wednesday. The actress looked stunning in white sari. She captioned the post, "How to be happy. Decide every morning that you are in a good mood." Sushant was found dead at his Mumbai home on June 14. Urvashi Rautela has given a sneak peek into the character she plays in her upcoming Telugu release, Black Rose, with the first look poster of the film. Our makers have unveiled the first look of the film, Black Rose, today, and as you can see, I am wearing a beautiful sari that also symbolizes the title of the film. I am seen walking on the runway in the poster, Urvashi pointed out. The film will release in Telugu and Hindi and is directed by Sampath Nandi.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.